Hello friends, Trilochun here. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Java JDK21. 2 months before, so Java JDK21 so have released. So we will see how to download and install Java JDK21 in this video. So first of all, in Google, so if you will type JDK21 download, and you see the first link, so whatever it is coming to the picture, just I will click. So you see, so this is the link jdk.java.net/21 slash, this is the link. You see, so specifically I am downloading and installing Java JDK21 for Windows operating system, and you see, so Linux, Mac and Windows operating system, and you see in for Windows operating system there is a one zip file. So simply I will click, that means the Java JDK21 will download. Now I will click here. So guys, already I have downloaded, so that's why, so I will do the cancel. So already I have downloaded this zip file, and already I have kept in my location. Now I will go to my location. Already I have kept in my E drive, and in E drive there is a folder, Java software folders. Inside the Java software folders, so this file that I have kept, so this is the zip file, and this file is what Java JDK21. So now what I will do, simply what I will extract this file. Now I will do the extract. So whatever the zip file that I got, simply that file I extracted. So then what I will do, so this installation is a little bit different from others. In my previous video that already I have shown you how to download and install JDK 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we will see how to download and install JDK 21. So already I have downloaded JDK 21, and a zip file that I got, and I extracted that zip file. And what I will do now, so this JDK21, this folder I got, and if you will go through that folder, that we will get different folder, bin, leaf, so different folders in this way that we can get. So what I will do, simply this folder I will do copy, and I will go to C drive, and in C drive, so I will create a folder, suppose any folder we will create. So let it tools, let it, so in this folder just I will paste that JDK21. So now you see, and this is the what if I will what uh, open that JDK21, and here I will click. So this is my path in C drive. Inside the C drive there is a folder that I created, that folder name is tools. Inside that folder tools I kept JDK21. So now, so in my next step, what I will do, simply I will open environment variables. I will go to environment variables in search button. If I will type environment variables, so now you see, and so I what will see where is my environment variables in search button. If you will what type environments variable, then this option will come to the picture. Otherwise, my computer, right click on the my computer, then properties, advanced system setting, then you can get also environment variables. So what I will do now, I will click on environment variables, and you see this option is coming, and I will click on new. So what I will do, simply what I will create a new variable, new system. This option is what, new system variable, and two option. So one is variable name, and one is variable value, that I will give. Suppose variable value, suppose what I will do, Java underscore home, and so that path. So which path? So already what that path means, especially what, so in C drive, in tools folder, you see, again I am going. So here this path you will copy. So simply I will do copy, and So again, I will go to environment variables and I will click here. I will click new. So Java variable name. Suppose I will give Java underscore home and this variable value that I will paste here. Okay, now I will click on OK button. Then I will we will see there is an option, path option. You see there is a path option and I will click on edit option, and you see there is an option new. I will click on new option, and so what I will do, I will again that paste and that win folder that I will paste, and I will click on OK button. I will click then OK, then everything is finished. So this is the installation of JDK21, and it is very faster and very quickly that we did install. And how I will know that JDK21 that I have installed or not? So I will what I will go to what command prompt, and so you see, and I will type Java hyphen version. Okay, so guys, you see, so simply, so now that open JDK version 21. So I hope everybody but got the clarity